Today, from Believe Industry Company, we're focusing on our new design-integrated box beam roll forming machine, a game-changer in metal fabrication that turns flat metal into high-performance box beams effortlessly. As a professional manufacturer, Believe Industry Company designs and supplies this specialized equipment, which features an integrated design. No extra box beam speed machine is needed, helping you save material and labor costs significantly. It forms sheet metal, or coils, into hollow rectangular box beams, which have more flat sides and superior force density, making them stronger than other beam types. Its working process is smooth and efficient. Following a complete production line, first, load metal coils onto the 5-ton hydraulic uncoiler. Then the feed and guide mechanism pulls the strip through the machine. After which, a series of precisely aligned roller stations, 24 to 28 forming steps, gradually bend the metal into the desired box shape, and finally, the no-stop cutting off the required length. He flips with a straightener. It ensures the final product is perfectly straight. With high automation powered by a Siemens PLC control system, Omron encoder, and Yaskawa, it achieves continuous production at 15 to 20 meters per minute, handling materials like galvanized steel and cold-rolled steel with thickness 1.5 to 2.0 millimeters and only 4 millimeters material waste. It ensures consistent quality, minimal waste, and lower labor costs. Widely used in warehouse racking, a core application for our equipment, as Believe Industry Company offers a full range of roll-forming machines for pallet rack systems. A must-have tool for modern manufacturing efficiency.